Welcome back, everyone. If you could please like and subscribe, I would really appreciate it. So in today's video, we're going to talk about a magic arm or a variable friction arm. And these are a great piece of kit or gear, if you will. So a variable friction arm usually starts off with a grip super clamp at one end. So I'm going to put this super clamp on here. And now this will allow me to attach this variable friction arm kind of anywhere that I can lock this down on. So it could be a light stand, it could be a pipe, it could be a railing, it could be anything. And so then what this allows me to do is it allows me to have something out on the other end to mount stuff to that's round about 20 inches or 50 centimeters from that object that I was attached to. And so once you get this attached to something, and then you get this end kind of where you want it, you just go ahead and you lock this down, and then it becomes rigid. So you can just lock this onto anything. I used to use these when I was a photojournalist to mount cameras to backboards during NBA games. And it was just a really cool way to get a great angle. So speaking of which, you can add this plate on here, and that will allow you to mount a camera to the end of it. There's a 1/4 20 screw on the end of this, or on this platform, that will allow you to mount a camera. Now, you could add other accessories as well, and I've got those out here for us today. So, you could add a 2.5-inch grip head like this one here. And in the grip head, then, you have all these slots where you can stick other things, and there are all sorts of options. If you're interested in learning more about grip heads, just check out the video that I have about them. You could also add another super clamp. And the reason why you would do this in this sort of configuration is maybe you need to brace something, like a boom arm or something. You could attach this to the stand at one end, and then you could attach this to the boom arm and you could lock it in place. And that would ensure that your gear was frozen in space. You know, if the light stand came up and the boom arm went over sort of like this. I used it when I was doing those backboard cameras. What I would do is I would use one magic arm to hold the camera and one magic arm like this to hold the magic arm. And that way, no matter who dunked on the basket, whether it was Shaq or somebody else that weighed 300 pounds, it didn't really matter. That camera wasn't going anywhere. So now the other thing you could do is you could add a clip to the end like this one that I have right, if I can get this off, right over here. And so by adding this clip to our magic arm and then tightening it down, you can hold anything in its sort of grasp, like your hand, but that might hurt. But instead, you should use something like this foam core. And so by doing this, I can now hold a flag anywhere that I want it out into space and lock it down. I could use that flag to darken down the lower half of my body, which is probably happening right there, or I could use it maybe in close to sort of get a nice shadow going across my face, something like that. Now, if we used a white one, we could use it as a bounce. Really, the potential things are endless that you could do with this. So again, this is a magic arm or variable friction arm. Thank you guys so much for watching. Stay safe, have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.